Hi class, I'm going to be talking about anchored instruction, and this is situated learning through the use of technology, but is based in the context of a story. So students are learning through the story and using their problem-solving skills based on the data and the seeds that are inserted into the story. As an instructor, it's important to remember that all of the data that students need to solve this problem are in the context of the story, and there's nothing that needs to be given afterwards. In addition to, teachers need to scaffold and help students during this problem-solving process if they need it. An interesting fact is that at the end of this problem solving, you can insert new data or what-if scenarios to the students to see if they have the fullest and deepest level of understanding within the project itself. Let's dive into the lesson. Hi there, I'm Sarah, and I'm a student at Colorado State University. I'm on athletic scholarship for both cross-country, running, and volleyball, and I love it so much. My parents have mixed emotions about me going to school. My dad thinks it's a waste of money and very, very expensive, and my mom just doesn't want her little girl to grow up, but I really want to be here and think it'll help my future a lot, so the only thing that they can agree on is the food budget that I need to stay under. It's really hard for me in school to eat right and eat enough for me to maintain my body and help with my athletics, but the cafeterias oftentimes don't have the best options, and I can't just eat pizza and burgers all day long. So, the options that I have are these right here. For the cafeteria, you can do a per meal or per swipe option, or which is $7, or I can do per location, which is there's two cafeterias on campus. One's Campus West, and that has $700, which is a 3-meal maximum a day, or Campus East, which is $550. There's also an option that's $875 a month, and you can eat at any location. My parents' food budget is $900, but I'm trying to keep in mind that that's a lot of money, and I'm hoping I can stay under that. I use my ID card right here to swipe in the cafeteria, and it has my preloaded amount on there. But that's not the only thing that I have to take into consideration. It's where the campus's cafeterias are. I live right here, up in GSP dorm, and then there's Campus West cafeteria right here, and the Campus East cafeteria, but my athletics are all the way across campus, which makes it kind of difficult to get to and from and still have what I need to eat every day. Lastly is what my athletic trainer Megan wants me to eat. The first requirement is 2,500 calories a day, which is roughly 4 meals and 2 snacks. Plus, I have to eat 1 protein meal after every workout, and those workouts are 4 to 5 times a week with my team. So, as you can see, it's a lot of food and a lot to think about. How am I supposed to eat what I want and what my trainer says, maintain my weight and muscle for sports, and stay within my parents' food budget of $900? This is a tough decision to make, and I could really use your help. Can you help me to decide what the best solution is for this problem? Thanks. Alright class, so that's Sarah. As you can see, she gave us all of her concerns with her eating on the college campus in the university cafeterias. And we need to remember a couple of things when it comes to budgeting. Her parents did give her the $900, but it could be possible that she can stay under that budget and her parents can save some money there. It also needs to take in consideration that her time and efficiency while on campus is best utilized. And maintaining her schedule as a student is important as well. So, get into your groups as we discussed earlier, come up with some possible solutions which are most cost effective and beneficial to Sarah and her parents, and we'll discuss afterwards. If you need help or have any questions, just raise your hand and I'll come over.